Alright, what's up guys? So today I want to talk about a couple different types of oil and what we use here. So we have our big thing of oil over there, just Mobil-Delvic 1540. The reason why we have it here is Douglas Distributing brings it in bulk, so it's a lot easier to just use their oil. That's the main reason we use that. And here we have our Lucas engine oil stabilizer. That's what keeps the oil alive, and it keeps it from getting too thin, and so it's a real saver, especially for older engines. It's really good. And then that's about all we use for the engines. And here I have a couple different types of grease. Here's Lucas Red and Tacky. You've probably heard of it. It works really well for bearings and grease. It has a 540-degree drop point, so you can get that hot and still be tacky. Here is our Schaefer's I use for the trucks. It works really well for kingpins, slack adjusters, just brakes, different stuff like that. And then here I have a bucket. It's a high temp wheel bearing grease, and I like that a lot because it's a bigger jug, and then I can pack bearings for trailers a whole lot better, and it just works better in general than most of our other grease. And then here is a Silver Streak multi-lube. It's another Schaefer product we have here. Works really well for the fifth wheels. Highly recommend it. I will have links in the description for this. And last of all, I've got Lucas Hub Oil. Now this is perfect for oil bath trailers. Instead of grease packing it with this stuff, then you've got this hub oil. And the thing is, if your seal goes out, that stuff will still stay in your bearings, and it will keep them from going dry most of the time. If you can catch it in time, and you'll see that Lucas will keep them a little oily, whereas the grease, if it all just goes out, it's gone. So highly recommend that hub oil for any oil bath types. Alright, well, and that's it for today, and we will have another video out coming soon.